Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our very first Avorion mod spotlight of many to come. The format that we're going to do with this is at the end of the video I'll show you quickly how to install the mod at the time, and in the description at the very bottom will always be the link to that mod that we're discussing. So let's get started. So this mod is by Aki. And I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but Aki is the name for today. And this one is basically server tools, and it's also, it can work just on server. You don't need to have it on the client. And of course, if you want to use it on the client and use it in creative mode or whatever, it works just fine. Basically, it just lets you know that it works on the server without having it on the client. So this mod currently, and it's in the progression, so it's going to evolve over time, has Sethome, /turrets, and /system. Basically, Sethome will let you set your home in the system. Right now, if you were to go all the way over here and die, you always go back to your home location. That's always how it's been. But now you could set home over here, and then if you died up here, you go back down here, wherever you set it. So that is a very nice command. The next command is /turrets. And now /turret is a pretty awesome command. If you type in help and then turret, you'll get a bit of information on it, which on the link in the description at the very bottom, you can actually get the different names, but I'll tell you them quickly. These are all with no spaces. There's chain gun, laser, mining, plasma, rocket, cannon, rail, repair, bolter, lightning, Tesla, force, and salvage. So if we type in turret, /turret of course, type, let's say rocket, and rarity basically goes up to 5. I mean, you can increase these and get some weird variables, but it normally goes from -1. So actually, let's do -1 all the way to 5. And then tech, I don't know much about the tech right now. Somebody told me that the Avorion material starts around 50 tech, so I'm going to do 50. And material, it starts at 0, so iron all the way down to this. So I guess that would be 6, wouldn't it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so material 6. And you don't have to put the amount or player if it's going to you. And there you go. So I've been given weapon or weapons. So if we go and check, let's check the player inventory. Actually, that's easier to work with. You can see that we have a new launcher here. And you can see the damage. So we can change that up, and we can change it to 0. That's the next tier. And then we can give it a 1 next tier after that. And then, yes, don't forget, there's random stats and stuff as well. So, of course, some of these are going to change over time, stat-wise. So, and the icons do change based on that as well. So don't be like, what's going on? Because this is normal. This is how it's supposed to be. And then you got your 5th one here. There you go. So a lot of people think Exotic's the highest level item. It's actually Legendary. Exotic's a little more common, of course, Exceptional. Yeah. And of course, you might be like, wait, this does more damage than that. Well, don't forget, it still has the Diablo stats going on, right? So if you look at the bottom, this one does 82% range. So this goes almost 11 kilometers. 82 range, 187% damage. Overheats, and it's 41% faster cooling, and has independent targeting, so you can have it like AI targeting. So that is a good example of the turret system. Then you have the system. That's basically what I always call modules, and this one's actually really, really easy. We can do the help system again if we like, so help system. So you could do something like system / cargo rarity, let's just give it a 5, and then that's it. And here you go. And it works just fine. Now, I haven't tried giving it to myself directly. Let's say a cane heart. Does it work like that? No. I think you might have to put it in quotes. This is going to probably break things. But let's try it like that. No. Good luck trying to figure out how to send it to somebody. I will put in the comments later on how to, once I learn how to do it, how to actually send it to somebody else with a space in their name. But probably it would work without the space, but I don't know. And we'll figure it out over time. Either way, oh, you know what we could try? Let's try one more thing just for fun. I don't know if this will work, but let's put it in actual brackets. No luck. Either way, that is Aki's mod, and like I said, it's going to expand and change over time, so that's going to be very, very exciting. and it's really good for creative mode, to be honest. This is a wonderful mod for people who are just doing creative testing and creative builds, things like that, and it makes your life easier. It's also good for people out there who might be, you know, making some mods or whatever, who want to maybe make new modules and stuff over time. This is a good way to just maybe test those modules out and spawn them and things like that. But either way, let's go ahead and add this mod to our game. So I'll bring this down here and display capture. There we go. Some magic just happened. So this would be the thread currently. It'll change over time, but basically it has to go to your data, scripts, commands, and Sethome. So if you save this link, not all the mods you might be able to save as, but this one you can, or at least at this time, it would go into your Steam folder. So program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Avorion, or wherever you installed it, data, scripts, and then this one is for commands, right? So this is Sethome. Now make sure you click Sethome, because some of the mods that you'll install will replace files. Now I already installed this one doesn't replace any files, but because I'm downloading it again to show you guys, I'll just make sure I click the right one. So Sethome, there's two Sethomes here. Pay attention, this one's player/Sethome. So you're going to go back up and you're going to go to player, and then you're going to set this one up, because this is going to be the interface, I think, for I don't know actually why that one exists, but either way you can always click it and figure it out. There you go. Basically on server function, oh there you go, it gets the coordinates and stuff. Cool. Then you have your turret one. So the turret and the system one, these are all separate. So this is one mod, kind of. This is one mod, this is one mod, but I'm showing you in a group, of course. So here's the turret one, and we're going to go back to commands. The last two are just command base. So we go to turrets, turret, and replace. And then we'll do the same with system, and we'll replace that. And that's it. And all you would normally do is close your game, reopen it, and that's it. You're done, and then you would have access to all three of those commands, and over time there will be more commands added, and we'll do a little more videos on that over time. I won't do one every day for that mod, but we're definitely going to do more mod videos, like mod spotlights for Avorion, because I think it's kind of important to show the work that the community is doing, because it's those people who make this game special and who will make this game, even if the developers say in a couple of years, 5 years, I could never tell you, but you know, if he stops working on the game, it's people like them that will make this game continuing on from there on. And if you don't believe me, check out games like Freelancer, for example. Freelancer still has insane amount of modding to this day, and even though it's slowing down quite a bit, it lasted for a very, very long time. So anyways, guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like for more Avorion videos and other videos of other games I'll do, and we will see you wonderful people next time.